Hi, welcome to another video. I have been talking about KiloCode a lot in my videos, and it recently got some really cool upgrades that make it even better, so I thought I'd talk about them as well. If you don't know about KiloCode, at its core, KiloCode is a VS Code extension that acts as an AI agent for planning, building, and fixing code. It's open source under the Apache 2.0 license, and you can find it on GitHub in their repository. KiloCode's main draw is that it combines all the features of Cline and Roo Code and then adds its own improvements. It's basically a superset, so if you've used either Roo Code or Cline, you'll find all their features here, plus more. You can install KiloCode directly from the VS Code Marketplace. Once installed, you can log in with your account, which immediately gives you $20 in free credits for models like Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude 4 Sonnet and Opus, and GPT 4.1. API keys are optional. KiloCode ships with the latest AI models already integrated, so you don't need to fiddle with keys unless you want to. You can just keep recharging the credits in order to use it, which is also awesome, and it doesn't charge you the markup fee like OpenRouter does. Now, let's talk about some of the features that KiloCode brings to the table. The extension is split into several modes: Orchestrator, Architect, Code, and Debug. These modes are mostly the same as what Roo Code offers, but in general terms. Orchestrator mode breaks down complex projects into subtasks and delegates them to the appropriate specialized agent modes. Architect mode is for designing solutions before writing code. Code mode implements the plans, and debug mode is for finding and fixing issues before they go to production. KiloCode also offers a marketplace for MCP servers, similar to Cline, making it easy to extend the agent's capabilities with things like Concept 7, Figma, Perplexity, Firecrawl, Magic UI, and more. You get good defaults out of the box, and there's no requirement for API keys to get started. It's also multilingual and supports customization of model providers, terminal tool use, and browser tool use. One thing that stands out is the approach to pricing and usage. The extension is completely open source, and there's no lock-in. You pay exactly what the AI model providers charge. No markup or commission from KiloCode itself. You can bring your own API keys if you want, use local or free models, or stick with the $20 in free credits that you get on sign-up. For enterprise users, there are planned features like audit logs and role-based access control, but the focus remains on being transparent and open. Now, let's look at how KiloCode stacks up against Roo Code and Cline. Since it's a fork of Roo Code and incorporates all features from both Roo and Cline, you're not losing anything by switching to KiloCode. Roo Code and Cline both have their own strengths, but KiloCode's goal is to unify those strengths and push things further. You don't have to choose between the two anymore. Another key feature is the focus on developer experience. KiloCode handles a lot of the mundane parts of programming: dependency management, updating documentation, fixing typing issues, and updating translation files, so you can focus on the more interesting problems. Now, let's talk about the new experimental Autocomplete feature introduced in KiloCode's latest update. This is called KiloComplete, and it brings AI-powered code suggestions directly into your editor as you type. In this release, it uses the Gemini 2.5 Flash model for real-time, context-aware suggestions. The model isn't configurable yet, but feedback is being collected to improve it and eventually allow customization. To enable the experimental autocomplete, you need to turn it on in the configuration settings. Once enabled, as you type in your editor, KiloComplete will provide intelligent suggestions based on your current file and the broader project context. This can help speed up your workflow, especially for repetitive or boilerplate-heavy tasks. It also introduced experimental multi-file reading support, which is the same as Roo Code. What this does is allow the AI to process and understand relationships across multiple files simultaneously, which is useful for tasks like refactoring, analyzing dependencies, or working with interconnected codebases. This is something that's been highly requested and is now available as an experimental feature. Now, let me show you how it all works. You can just enable this option by heading over to the settings and then enabling it in the experimental options. With the experimental autocomplete enabled, as you type in your editor, you'll start seeing suggestions pop up based on your context. For example, if you're writing a function and you pause, KiloComplete will suggest how to complete the function based on your codebase and project structure. You can also take advantage of the free credits by connecting to advanced models like Claude 4 Sonnet, Gemini 2.5 Pro, or GPT 4.1. This gives you access to some of the latest AI capabilities without needing to pay up front. KiloCode also has a memory bank feature, which means you don't have to keep re-explaining your project to the AI. It keeps track of what it's worked on, your preferences, and more, making the experience smoother over time. For those who want more control, you can customize which models are used, connect your own API keys, or use local models. There's also support for OpenRouter, Fireworks, and other providers. In terms of privacy and security, KiloCode is open source, doesn't train on your data, and doesn't use telemetry. You're in control of your data at all times. If you want to try it out, you can find KiloCode on the VS Code Marketplace or GitHub. You can also join the Discord server or check out the documentation for more details. They keep hosting events where they give out even more free credits, so keep an eye out for those. I really liked it and thought I'd talk about it as well. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, share your thoughts below and subscribe to the channel. You can also donate via Super Thanks option or join the channel as well and get some perks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.